Most people trying to fix their gut are going about it backwards. More probiotics, supplements, digestive enzymes. But what if the fastest way to feel better is to actually stop eating for a little bit longer? Your gut wasn't designed to work non-stop. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what happens inside your gut during a fast and why a 17-hour fast might be the missing piece to better digestion, more energy, and balanced hormones. Stick around to learn why fasting gives your gut a much-needed break so it can reset and heal naturally. Let's start with something nobody tells you. Your gut wasn't designed to work non-stop. Every time you eat, even healthy food, your digestive system kicks in a high gear. Your pancreas releases enzymes, your stomach produces acid, and your gut lining has to process and absorb everything. That's not a problem unless it never gets a break. Most people eat from the moment they wake up to the minute they go to sleep. That's a 14 to 16 hour work shift for your digestive system every single day. And when your gut never gets a break, you get symptoms: bloating, indigestion, fatigue, inflammation. Over time, it wears down the gut lining, slows down enzyme production, and weakens the gut-brain connection. That's where fasting comes in. When you fast, even for 14 to 16 hours, you give your gut time to reset. The enzymes rebalance, the gut lining repairs, and your body can finally focus on healing instead of digesting all the time. It's not starvation, it's recovery for your digestion. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When you're not eating, your body isn't just sitting idle. It flips into a mode called migrating motor complex, or MMC for short. The MMC is like your gut's cleanup crew. It sends waves of contractions through your small intestine, sweeping out leftover food, bacteria, and waste that would otherwise sit there and cause bloating, gas, or even bacterial overgrowth. But here's the catch. This cleaning cycle doesn't even begin until you've been fasted for at least 3 to 4 hours. And it works best during longer fasting windows like 12, 14, or 16 hours. If you're constantly grazing, snacking, or drinking calories, the MMC never kicks in, and that's when things start to back up. This is one of the biggest hidden causes of gut issues like bloating, sluggish digestion, and SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. By fasting, you're literally giving your gut a chance to flush itself out. It's not about weight loss, it's about cleaning house, the way your body was designed to. If you're wondering why your gut hasn't healed yet, my 7-day carnivore gut reset will show you exactly what's holding you back. It's free to download, just check the link in the description. If your gut's constantly inflamed, irritated, or leaking toxins into your bloodstream, it's not going to matter how clean your diet is. That's why gut lining repair is a huge deal, and fasting plays a major role here. See, every time you eat, especially processed foods or frequent meals, your gut lining takes on stress. Over time, the tight junctions in your intestinal wall start to loosen. That's what people refer to as leaky gut. When the gut barrier breaks down and allows particles into your bloodstream that don't belong there. That triggers inflammation, food sensitivities, brain fog, and even hormone disruption. But when you fast, your gut finally has time to heal. During fasting, your body increases production of intestinal stem cells, and these are the cells that rebuild and regenerate the gut lining. Research from MIT even showed that after just 24 hours of fasting, stem cell activity in your gut ramps up significantly. Like flipping a repair switch your body usually keeps off. You don't need fancy detoxes or gut cleanse supplements. Your body already knows what to do. It just needs the space to do it. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and whether they help you or hurt you depends on which ones are in charge. Here's the problem. If you're constantly feeding your body, especially with sugar, refined carbs, or late-night snacks, you're also feeding the wrong bacteria. These are the ones that cause bloating, cravings, poor digestion, and even low mood. But when you fast, something powerful happens. You starve out the bad bacteria and give the good ones a chance to thrive. Studies show that fasting reduces the abundance of inflammatory bacteria like firmicutes, which are linked to obesity and insulin resistance, and increases beneficial strains like Akkermansia, which help protect the gut lining and reduce inflammation. You're not just shrinking your eating window, you're literally reshaping your microbiome. And the balanced microbiome doesn't just improve digestion, it helps regulate your immune system, hormones, metabolism, and even brain function. So every time you fast, you're not just giving your gut a break, you're building a stronger ecosystem inside your body. Here's the truth no one really talks about. Most people never really fix their gut because they never stop eating long enough to let it heal. They jump from supplement to supplement, try probiotics, bone broth, even elimination diets. But they're still eating 5, 6, 7 times a day, sometimes from morning until midnight. That means their gut is always digesting, always inflamed, always working, and never recovering. Even if you're eating clean, it doesn't matter if the machine never powers down. Fasting changes that. It gives your gut the downtime it needs to catch up, repair, and rebuild. No powders, no pills, just your body doing what it was designed to do when given a chance. And that's why most people stay stuck. They never create that window of restoration. But you're learning how to open that window, and that changes everything. If you're ready to start repairing your gut, you don't need to jump into some extreme fasting protocol. You just need to give your body a break consistently. Start with a simple 14-hour fast each day. That means that once you finish eating dinner at 7 o'clock p.m., your next meal wouldn't start until 9 a.m. the next morning. That's it. Once that feels easy, you can stretch it to 16 hours, and that's where most people start to notice the changes. Less bloating, better digestion, clearer thinking, fewer cravings. During your fasting window, stick to water, black coffee, or herbal teas. No calories, no sweeteners, not even a splash of cream. It all breaks the fast and shuts down the gut healing process. And remember, this isn't just about starving yourself, it's about creating a space for your gut to restore itself. If you stay consistent for just even a couple of weeks, you'll be shocked at the difference. This is one of the most natural, powerful tools we have, and it's completely free. Now you know why your gut needs a break and how fasting activates natural cleaning and repair processes. From migrating motor complex, clearing out waste, to gut lining regeneration and microbiome rebalancing. Healing your gut isn't instant, but consistent fasting gives your digestive system the space to reset and reduce bloating, inflammation, and hormone imbalances. Before you go, grab your 7-day carnivore gut reset, the link's below. It's the simplest way to start fixing your digestion, cutting out daily bloating, and getting your energy back, no guesswork. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. We've got more no-fluff, science-backed videos on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.